come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into SARAHA Labs and its SARAHA token, focusing on its innovative approach to AI agents, blockchain technology, and data tools. This guide will walk you through understanding and acquiring SARAHA so you can make informed decisions. What exactly is SARAHA Labs? It's a company dedicated to developing AI solutions with real-world applications. They have a clear mission and vision for the future of AI and are integrating it with blockchain to take things to the next level. While specific team details might vary, their core technologies revolve around AI agents, seamless blockchain integration, and powerful data tools and infrastructure. Let's get to the heart of the matter, the SARAHA token. Understanding its tokenomics is crucial. We're talking about the total supply, how it's distributed through staking and rewards, and its overall utility within the SARAHA Labs ecosystem. Specifically, it allows you to access AI agents and tools, participate in staking and governance, and pay for those valuable data services. For a deep dive into the specifics, be sure to check out the official SARAHA Labs white paper. Why might you consider investing in SARAHA? Well, holding it offers exposure to the rapidly expanding AI and blockchain sectors. You could potentially get early access to cutting-edge AI tools and data, with the possibility of price appreciation as adoption grows. However, it's important to remember the risks. The crypto market is known for its volatility. There's considerable competition in the AI space, and regulatory uncertainty always looms. You're interested in acquiring SARAHA. One option is MEXC Global. MEXC Global is known for its reputation and robust security measures, and it offers trading pairs for SARAHA. The process involves a few key steps. First, create an account on MEXC Global. Next, complete their KYC, or Know Your Customer, verification. Then, deposit funds, like USDT or other accepted cryptocurrencies. Navigate to the SARAHA trading pair, and finally, place your buy order, choosing between a market or a limit order. Remember, after purchasing, it's best practice to store your SARAHA securely, and a hardware wallet is highly recommended. Also, keep in mind there will be trading fees on MEXC. Besides MEXC, keep an eye out for SARAHA on other exchanges. When it comes to storing your tokens, consider your options carefully. While exchange wallets might seem convenient, they're not recommended for long-term storage. Software wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet offer a balance of convenience and security, but for the highest level of security, hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor are the way to go. Take a closer look at what SARAHA Labs is actually building, their AI agents and data tools. These AI agents boast a range of impressive functionalities. The automation capabilities they offer can streamline various processes, and they're designed to integrate seamlessly with blockchain technology. In addition, SARAHA Labs provides an array of data tools and services, and this is where SARAHA comes in. For example, using certain AI agents might require holding or spending SARAHA, adding direct utility to the token. Securing your crypto assets should always be a top priority. There are several best practices to follow. Use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible, and, as we mentioned before, consider using a hardware wallet. Be extremely cautious of phishing scams, and above all, protect your private keys at all costs. Looking ahead, SARAHA Labs has exciting future developments and updates planned for both the platform and the SARAHA token. Keep an eye on their roadmap for key milestones, and consider getting involved with the community and any governance initiatives. Conclusion: SARAHA presents an interesting opportunity within the evolving landscape of AI and blockchain. Remember, it's crucial to do your own research, and to approach any investment responsibly. We recommend checking out the Sahara Labs website and social media channels for the most up-to-date information. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.